Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you are looking for a very unique way to send someone flowers, you may want to consider these from Beaulasting roses. These roses are actual real preserved roses, but they will last over a year. So you don't have to worry about someone getting them and then a week or two having to throw them away. I am often not a big fan of having real flowers because they attract my pets. They start to have that funky smell. These roses are preserved in a way so that there is no toxic smells. They don't bother me at all, and they are beautifully presented in this black and rose gold box. They come in a variety of colors, and obviously these are the red roses. They are super soft and beautiful to look at, making a nice gift in honor of a remembrance of someone, or even just a special someone in your life that you want them to think of you every time they see them. I would really recommend sending these to someone as a gift. They do not look cheap at all, but rather they look really beautiful, and it's a great remembrance of the person that sent them to me and how kind they were to send them. And that's my point of view.